possible to have a hot dinner ready in 5 minutes? And no, I don't mean cereal. I mean a delicious Southern bacon, green beans, and rice. From pull it from your pantry to in your belly in 5 minutes, put the cereal back and watch this. Welcome to another Time Tip Tuesday, where I take one of my already super easy and quick loaded potato recipes, Southern bacon, green beans, and rice, and hack it down to be ready in just 5 minutes start to finish. 0 to hero, no time flat. 0 to hero, just like that. By the way, I'm MJ, founder of loadedpotato.org and your refrigerator eliminator. I hate to cook a master, and I've hacked the Martha Stewart rig system that has us locked in our kitchen for hours when there is a better way. I show you how to make delicious quick meals for about $1 or $2. No hours of prep, all straight from our pantry. So be sure to subscribe to my channel and I'll make sure that you never have to worry about dinner again. Forget the fridge. Everything you need is right in your pantry. Instant rice, green beans, diced tomatoes, dried onions, bacon bits, French fried onions, garlic powder, salt, and pepper. So how do I make a hot, delicious dinner in 5 minutes? My hack: instant rice. Ready in 5 minutes, not 20 to 30. This is my go-to for quick, delicious meals. So for starters, we're gonna start with our rice, which takes the longest, a whopping 5 minutes. We're gonna put 2 cups of rice in a bowl with 2 cups of boiling water. And now we're gonna stir this together. Make sure all the rice is covered with water. And this is gonna be ready in 5 minutes while we get started on our other ingredients. So now in another pot, we're going to combine 2 cans of drained green beans, 1 can of drained diced tomatoes, a half a cup of bacon bits, 2 tablespoons of dried onions, a half a tablespoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of salt, and half a teaspoon of pepper. Now we're just gonna stir this all together. Now we're just gonna put this on the stove on high to heat it up real quick so we can have dinner in no time. All right, after about 5 minutes, your rice should be fully cooked and so fluffy. And about now, our green beans should be hot and ready. Oh man, it smells so good. So now the only thing left to do is dish up. We're just gonna plate down some rice, top it with your bacon and green beans. And now for our garnish, we're gonna add our French fried onions right on top. Should look something like that. Now the only thing left to do is dig in and enjoy. So easy, so savory, and so delicious. Your family will go crazy for this and you'll love it because it only literally took 5 minutes to throw together. Let me know in the comments if your family love French fried onions. These bad boys, I have to hide them because if my kids find them, they will eat them like chips and they are gone. Be sure to follow me for more amazing recipes using only shelf-stable ingredients and check out loadedpotato.org to see all of our recipes, meal plans, grocery lists, and recommended products to save you time, money, and reduce your dependence on the refrigerator. Till next time! Till next time! Dang it, I did it again. Throwing juice. At least it's not tuna water this time. Wow. I made this Southern bacon, green beans, and rice to serve 5. But check out my recipes on loadedpotato.org and you can get the recipe to feed anywhere from 5 to 20 people, which is great if you have a big family or just want extra leftovers. And while you're there, check out our auto grocery calculator. If you want to have this meal on hand, ready to go in the pantry to make it a moment's notice, and it will calculate exactly the groceries you need to feed this and any other loaded potato meal for 1 meal for 5 people or 20 people every night for 10 years. You pick your meals and we do all the calculating. Even add to your Walmart or Amazon Fresh Cart right from our site, all free. loadedpotato.org.